All right, gang, here we go. Huh? A little bit of primer there. Down into the utility room. Still got a little bit of trash over here. A lot of the drywall and other wall boards are gone. We still got some trash in here that I'll get rid of, but not today. I got a bag up there. Oh, a lot less copper, a lot less board, a lot more dust. I'm definitely going to have a cleanup job here. Flooring, mixing. $400 feet of copper we started with. And a bunch of joints and elbows. Not the kind you smoke. So, we went from a see-through to now we have beautiful, beautiful board put up. Our closet, our bathroom, the toilet's gone, Edith. We got walls. We got the soffit is up higher. Makes the bathroom look a little bit less confined. This is a nice tub. I'm starting to grow on me. So, let's move in. I like the tub. You know what? We can make that tub work, baby. And you're right. This room's cold. This is all the garbage that's left in this room. Sofa's not part of that. Get out of my framing. Thank you. We already started painting here, guys. Thank you, Sofa. Got a nice ceiling. We got a coat down. Priming the doors. All the holes in the ceilings. Closet's done. Still waiting for Walter. We gotta fix that one. But Walter billed me pretty good today. We got it. Thank you, Walter. Accurate. Yep. Got soffits. Got doors started getting primed. This room's primed, and we got soffits. All those pipes gone. Thank you, Junior. Good job. And then back into our beautiful, soon-to-be beautiful kitchen. And I would say that's a wrap, gang. Peace.